Haven't been keeping up on videoing and stuff, but this is just gonna be a video of a little bit of me just cleaning up on this 350 Chevy I got, and that's about it. Hopefully you guys can follow along, and we're gonna keep pushing along on this 53 Willys build and try to get her done. Cleaning up this engine and try out some of this dollar store oven cleaner, see how that works.
Seen it on YouTube, so we'll see if it works. Helpful if I put it in the frame, huh? Not very good at this video what I'm doing.
What would you think would cause that to get so black like that? Definitely hasn't been rebuilt. There's no stamps in on the pistons. Not sure what you meant by ridge. Right here, there's no ridge right here. Like a ring ridge. It's pretty smooth. Well, it's been a while since I posted anything, trying to get back on this engine build for my rat rod. Been taking the pistons out, checking out the crankshaft. It's got stock nuts on there on the rod cap. That one doesn't look stock. This engine's been in before, and I don't know what these numbers are stamped in the bottom of the block. Haven't quite figured that out yet. If anybody knows. Journals look decent. It's got a little scratch in it. I didn't do that, that was there. So, anywho, 350 Chevy. Needs a little more cleaning done. Needs some new bearings. Having a comp cam in here. It's got a newer oil pump, timing chain and gears. The gears aren't bad. Timing chain was a little slack, but I would probably replace both. Number 3 piston, where that valve got smacked on that piston. It's just going in the rat rod. Probably just run it anyway. Those are Badger pistons in there. And the journals are 0.010 under, so they've been ground, and the piston, the rod journals on the crankshaft have been ground down, so they're 0.010 under. So overall, the crank don't look too bad. Got quite the mess going on in here, but I got this block all tore apart, and the block looks pretty good. The heads, on the other hand, not so good. I got a drop valve seat right there, and then this exhaust port, or this exhaust valve had a broken spring. Not sure where that valve seat went, but I think I'm just gonna try to find another head somewhere.